Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. Now I am already in the trade before news, but this is very high risky trading. I will give you the analysis. It's all up to you whether you trade or not. I'm sharing you the screen where it is. It cannot show. Why it is not here? I cannot share with you. Window type. Yes, here I have this. Okay. Now I am already in the trade. 500 USD account 0.1. It is sold from 4020 without SL because there is a reason. I will explain you later. But next 15 minutes there is news. So how would you, if you want to take sell, you could have better entry. So in the next minute, if just like see here, 15 minutes, wick, next 15 minutes has a low. For example, these 15 minutes are going to make a low. Market goes up, and if that low is broken to the downward, you could sell it. I'm already in the sell. So now let's see what happens. And you will have to be very careful. You will have to put SL above here. First, let it come down and let complete these 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes, go up, but do not break this line to the upward. Then, if the low of these 15 minutes is broken to the downward, impulsively enter in the sell with a stop loss above this level here. So this is the analysis of my trade. Exactly, I could put it here. Maybe I put it here. What is the high? It's 4035.43. 40, put the SL at 4036. So what will be the loss if I put it here? So let's see. I think I must also put the stop loss. Okay. I am already in the trade before the setup is complete. And for you, if you want to take this trade, first allow this 15 minutes to complete the low. In the next 15 minutes, break this low, impulsive entry, stop loss here. This is the setup just like this. I am thinking so. But let's see what happens. $40.36. Let's see. Let me put here 40. I'm also putting this down 40, 30, 6. How much loss is going to 155 US dollars. I have changed my, maybe if stop loss it hits, could I be, because I think if the market still breaks this 44, 40, 40, 44 is also break downward of this level. Market could fall from here also. This breakout is not enough. So I am removing my stop loss. Once again, I removed it. And here this could also be retested. So you could put stop loss above this level or this level, but entry must be these 15 minutes are completed. 15 minutes go up and break this low, it is entry. First, safe, this is second, above this, and third, if you are using, it must be above. These are the three stop options for anyone who is trading. As my account survives above this, even near to this, so I have put it just like a swing trade. If this is broken, my account will be wiped out, and exactly the market will go too much up. If so, now let's see what happens. I'm changing my mind again, but I have already mentioned that this is like I'm going to take a very risky trade. See what happens. What do you suggest me? Should I put the stop loss? Where should I? Now let's see what happens. Now this is the 15 minutes. I think news time. Because this, why this is also proper probability that if market will come down, because this is the breakout last level. So maybe it could go to retest it here after breaking this up, and then could come down. But it is the better way the market if breaks the low of these 15 minutes, then it is a nice entry. Also, I'm already in the trade. I'm already in the trade above this low. What is the low of these 15 minutes? The low of these 15 minutes is 4,019.6, and my entry is already above this. Let us see how does market plays out. Let us see what happens. Let's see momentum on the 1 minute time frame. These are the 15 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is the 4 hour. So let us see what happens. I'm opening 15 minutes to look a clear setup. Do you confirm that this is the news time? Let me confirm from the investing.com whether it is a right time or not. Let us see. And it was expected to be 100. Next news are have some time, so I think it's going to make a downward setup, and but let us see what happens. Let us see what happens. Where is the, yes, now is it being shared? Yes, now you are watching. So it looks nice. It is looking very nice for the news wise, for the setup wise, but let us see how does market plays out. Technically, market if goes near this and then breaks this low, it is a sell. Stop loss above here or here, whatsoever you like to put. Once this will be broken to the downward, then I will put stop loss somewhere here or here. I'm already in the trade, but you don't need to put until this is broken to the downward. Then it will be very easy and comfortable to put the stop here. Currently, go to retest this, then this is not safe stop loss and not a good entry, because if this is not broken to the downward, as I'm already in the trade and you are not, so it will be the safest stop loss until market takes this, could fall from here also. So it is not better to enter in the sell right now if until this low is broken to the downward. So let us see how, but currently let us see news plays out to set up nice for sell. Not complete yet. I am already in the trade. I'm a risky trader. Why did I enter in the trade? Do you know? Because market goes from breakout to the breakouts. Okay. So here it has broke to the upward. Here we had here the market that broken down, but market got into it. But last time this level was that was broken to the. But let's see what happens. Even market could go up here and retest this breakout. So I am waiting for this, but I think now market is coming down. And how much? How could it come down? I don't know, but we will see it. Currently, we have the down level at 3960. This is current low of the market. Now, still market not doing anything, waiting there. First 15 minutes, 16 minutes, and third 15 minutes. Here, first 15 minutes, second, third 15 minutes. But these two 15 minutes were in the same price. Here it is not. This is below. These 15 minutes are very small. But let us see what does market do. Either it is breaking up or down. Let's see it. So on the 5 minutes, this is the high of the market, this is the low of the market. Now after making low, the market is once again going to retest the high. Then it is probably it is going to break this to the low if it comes down. If it goes up, then I'm the test of this breakout. If it doesn't work that way, this is broken to the upward, then my account will be washed. And until this level, my account survives. I think market is coming down now to break the downward levels, but what anything can happen. This is 15 minutes has broken to the upward with momentum. And here, how many 5 minutes? Sorry, here how many 5 minutes? That 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. So the market. Let's see what happens whether high survives or not. Low is broken or not. Technically, breaking the high or low is very important. It's going near to the high. No, it is waiting. So much negative for you. Oh, negative for US mean it must be positive for gold. I was taking the news negatively, but okay. Still, we have this setup of the setup. Let us see how does it play out. I was changing. I was interpreting news as according to my supposition. What is negative for gold? That must be positive for. Oh, what must be negative for USD? That must be positive for gold. So news is according to the gold move up, but it is we are waiting for the setup. So let's see what happens. It is dependent on the breakout to the upward or downward. Though my this trade was not dependent on news, it is on technical basis, but still my this is not safe now because but this is the breakout at with SL. Still, let's see what is going to be broken up higher or low. It's pure technical issue. What either high is broken or low is broken, market will be going to that way. It follows everything for what the traders think of the price at that time when any news is out. So now it's very much on the break of the high and our break of the low. So here we have the low of the market and that is the high of the market. Whatever is broken, the market will be going to. It looks market. It is 1 minute time frame. It is anything that will be broken. It is expected to be very force with momentum. Both of the highs and lows. 1 minute will crush and my market will be going to the next level. So now let's see what happens. If you want to enter the, and I don't recommend buying here, but if you want to enter in the sell, breaking of the low to the downward, then if 15 minutes are broken to the downward, then it's a sell with SL here. But I don't recommend buying here. Even if the market breaks the high, it could fall from here. So buying is not recommended at this level. But anything can happen. Market can break either high or low. But now let's see either low is broken or not. This is the 5 minutes chart. Maybe it could fall from right now. On the next news, it could come up. Now I don't know what will happen. But technically, how it is going. I don't know what will happen. What will be broken? It is. It looks like it is going to break the high. Although I don't know what will happen, but I'm waiting for the breaking. What I am waiting? I'm already in the trade. I'm just waiting whether it is broken or to the upward or downward, or it will go to 40, 44. The news is negative for gold. It must be positive for, oh sorry, negative for USD, and it could be positive for gold. But technically, how this plays out. Yes, it is going to break the high. One 15 minutes ended, and they are bullish. So market is expected to break the high. I'm not putting the stop loss here because expecting this breakout to the downward would send the market down. This is also a level, and my account survives, though my entry was not that good as it was before the use. Most of the time, it is considered always enter the trade after the news, not before. But I entered earlier, and I did what I did. But let us see what. So depends on the breakout of the high and low. Yes, market is going up and breaking it. But here is also the next level 44. So I am risking by this account. One of the things that the market is coming from a low, it is going for a high. Where does it go to, is going to complete its high? We don't know exactly. But I'm expecting below this. Still market is consolidating here. Swinging between high and low. I am feeling a bit hot weather, so I'm now going to run the fan because now I must be sweating. Yes, it's going to break high. Okay, at 40. then 40, 44. Now you could be hearing the voice sound of my phone. It is breaking down. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I am really sweating. I did not have my fan running, and also trade before the news, and I risky trade. I risk trade. So I'm sweating. This is the 1 minute time frame chart. 1 minute just it doesn't look like that way, but it is very easy to see the how is the market playing out currently and what level is expected to be broken because market breaks with momentum any level. So it means the ADP was already priced in, so the market came up. It feels so when something when market does against any data, it is considered that it was already priced in. But now I don't know what will happen. What is going to be broken? If high is broken, it means it was not priced in. If low is broken, it means it was priced in. So my entry was on technical basis. So market went too deep beyond my expectations. Maybe it breaks the low. If low is broken, you could enter a sell. Sell with above 40, 35. If I is broken, no entry, wait for the proper setup. If I is broken today. Until I'm live, I will be sharing this with you, but then I won't share with you any profit or loss result. Account wiped out, I won't share anything with you, or it survives, or whatever happens next. As much time as I am live here, I will be sharing this trade with you. Once this live stream ends, I won't share you the results of the profit or loss. Now it is coming down to break it. I don't know. It looks like it is being going to be broken, but we don't know exactly 5 minute consolidation. It is going to break high. It's breaking the high. Maybe it break down. I don't know until it breaks because we cannot say any about the breaks because this is the market. It doesn't move according to our suppositions, just like I have entered in. It will be quite interesting if the market keeps uh, consolidating here until the next two news. Sometimes when even if it is breaking, if the 15 minutes that break this to the low, but next 15 minutes if broke the high of that low, we considered cancelled. It is important for the breakout not to break the high of the 15 minutes that break this to the low. Otherwise, this just became the extension of the downward. But let us see what does market do. Though there are nice bearish levels, but anything can happen. Markets are markets. After this high and market this low came next time to the low, two times, one time it has come to the low. This was the high of the market, and then market has gone near to it this three times. If it goes near to it the fourth time, it will be broken. I expect so. Now, but we see rejections also on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's see here what has happened. This was the high of the market, and this was the low of the market, and market. It looks like from this high came to broke, but just extended the low. Then again broke it. Now let me show you high of the market, low of the market. This low has this high. Let us see on the 1 minute time frame. Try to understand this. What usually I do. So the high of the market. So the low of the market here. Okay, and this low has this high. In all conditions, this high must not be broken. If market breaks this high, it will break this also. Because this low has this high. This broken, this will also be broken. As after this high, the market has gone near to, after this low, market has gone near to this high, but not broken it yet. Once this is broken, let's see what happens. Now, if this broken, it will be broken again. Now, I should, if I want to put stop here, I this breakout 32.19, 40.33. Next, our NYC Open will be very volatile. If 15 minutes that break this low and next 15 minutes close above, I will exit out of this because that is not considered a good breakout. Exactly, that is not a breakout, that is just the extension of the. What is 33 now? My stop loss must be. If the market comes down, but again breaks back in, I will then also I will exit. Then take will buy up the breakout of this level. Now let us see what happens. Now this must go directly to the downward. Otherwise, if it comes back, now let us see. Yes. No, these 15 minutes must not be broken upward. 4028. SL now 4029. Let us wait for the 15 minutes to complete. Now it must keep going down. Next 15 minutes must not close above these 15 minutes. Nice. I think it is looking nice. Break. And now it must really come down. Any 15 minutes retest is acceptable. That does not close above these 15 minutes. 1 hour bearish, and 1 hour is also broken to the downward. So it is looking nice trade now. I think it played out in trade earlier. But let us see what happens in next 15 minutes are also important. Sometimes we say it is retesting. Retesting is only valid the 15 minutes that breaks the low. Next 15 minutes must not go to retest that 15 minutes. That will not be break out, cancellation of the breakout. Now it must be coming directly to the downward. 12. Low of the 12 from 19 to 12. It is $7 difference. It looks a nice low. Yesterday, what happened with me? I want to show you something here. This was the low. Low was 8, and before that, what was the low? Here, there was the okay. Now let us. I should at least break even it, because if it goes back to retest, retest must be out of this. In all conditions below this. Otherwise, I must put this stop on 40.26. That is the safe, because now test must not go beyond above this. So it is reversing. You see, there's still 3 minutes to go in this 15 minutes. If this high is broken, this level is broken to the part, must exit because this is not safe. 40, 20, 40, 45 must be my stop loss now. 40, 45 or 40, 46. The high of 40, 25.02. I must now put a stop here. $56 loss. Any retest is not acceptable above here. And it has got back into it. If we are taking that much risk, then not simply uh, now you see we must put a valid stop because now there is $68 stop. And even it must be if it goes above this breakout is cancelled. Breakout will not be if the market break this high of this 15 minutes. Still I am putting it here to make it, but now it won't break out, won't work out. Still, not let us see whether these 15 minutes are going to now what how much will be lost. I will have the loss of $94 because breakout of this is expected to be oh yes now 15 minutes are though gone a bit low high but it still looks coming down. See where do these 15 minutes are closed. If they are closed above that, then breakout to the downward will be cancelled. What here happens now? I have my stops here $94 loss. Now I will have to put, yes, I have stop loss will hit. Buy it if level is this low and high. If yes, now it played out. Now I am buying it. It broke the high. I have entered. Feels like quite early. I had the loss of $96. Once again, I have entered too early. Now I will have to the stop loss here, and I will maybe I lose my account by putting just the stop loss now because this is a new low market is so annoying that because it will come to reach this once again to this level. Maybe it go up, but nice stop loss and nice entry. I think it is going up now. It is so Market moves up and down in a way it's really very difficult. 40, 44. If it goes 40 up to 40, 44, I will exit because that's also a very. It's very near here. Then 63. Nice exit and nice entry. Now breakout has happened. See, drop to the downward. Next 15 minutes, as this high was broken, then the cancel it was cancelled. The downward breakout. It is nice that my account survived and I exited from the trade. Now let us see where to take profit. Now 40.63 and now 40.44 is also a level. Let us see what happens there. I think this will be broken because and what happens on the 40.63 now? This is also I am exiting. Though breakout has happened, but I am exiting from the trade right now. I know it is breaking it. Okay. Now 40.63. Then if it is broken, it is broken very upward. Yes, it is broken. Now we are. Let us see what happens. 40, 40, 46. Now I'm exiting. So nicely, I got out $40 profit. That is a level that I was expecting the market to go. So currently now I am not entering in the trade, entering in the trade, and will be waiting for the next news. Now you see what is happening with this level. Now if market breaks, this will go down. Here, break of this level to downward, we will have impulsive entry. What do you think of my this trade? How did I exit? How did I enter and then exited? Very risky trading, but I exited here because of the level. Now for the next news, we have the levels. What levels do we have right now for the? Now let me show you. Now once it will come down and break this, then it will be a nice sell. This is a level. Why this is a level? I want to show you here. This is the breakout to the downward. 44. It was. I should put. I think I should. I'm putting here from the. Already I'm putting the sell from here. Yes, I sold it. Though news has time, but let us see what happens. Now, for at least I will have some. I will have some room above putting SL here with next level that we have is 4063. If that is broken to the upward, then it is expected too much high. What did I do right or wrong? But now let us see what happens. Before news I have done. So the market has even broke it in. So if I put the SL here, 242, that will be too much, okay? And the market has broke into this level, then why should I? We don't know whether it will work or not. But if the market breaks 4063, it will go too high. So now let us see. Out is nice. I should stop exactly here. $52 loss if the market goes against. Now break out of this level to the downward, it will be an excellent trade. But I don't know what will happen. The market has broke into 44. Yes, nice stop because it was coming after the breakout. What did it do after breaking? Yes, now 4063 is also be broken. What is market doing? Very volatile it has become. What is oh I had very put it, oh yes, that was not the right placement. I think I must put sell now once again. Yes, I must put it. I put it very near. Forty three market went up. If it breaks 4063, my account will be washed. I'm in loss of uh, $13. Use ahead and I'm putting the higher lots. Now I'm leaving it at the risk because if this breakout happens, the market will be going too high, and if I'm putting the near, hit myself. 43. If it breaks down back in the 44, that will be nice move. Or it must fall heavily with speed, because if that uh, level is working, it must put it. It must not allow it to remain there. Otherwise, if it stays there, it means it didn't work. What are near to this level it has gone to. It could break, but I think it must fall now. Anything can happen now. I am at the risk of my this account because 15 minutes are not closed yet, bearish. Now they must be closed bearish, and also it really broken. My will account will be washed. Nearby to lose with my account just as else. If I put above 40, 53, 40, then how much loss I'm going to get? 108. And if this level, 205 on the 40 or 48 7 equity. Okay, at least the account will survive. But putting it here will not be a wise, because we have news ahead after 15 minutes, and it will be very wide move. It go and break high or low. Oh, once again it is moving. Now at least I am here, and if it is broken, it could be broken because I don't know what will happen. I have left the loss of $208. So one thing I must have considered, that this breakout has happened right now. So it was a breakout. So I must have taken care of. Now I haven't seen any 15 minutes bearish, but now I at least I have the account survive will survive. I will have the loss of $205. Ultimately, I could not, because market is coming from down and is breaking the levels. What was I doing? Okay, now it will hit, and at least I will have my account to trade more. I will have the loss of how many dollars? $208. It has come too close to it, and after making it has come after making the. So I will have to be careful next time, but this time I hurriedly made errors. First exit was good, second entry was good, but then the exit and the second entry was not good, and this is also not good because now the market is about to break that high and it will move too much high. If I don't take the SL, then my account will be washed out. After this, I lost, or I will end my stream and will be trading with the remaining amount. Yes, that it. Must I enter now? Okay, now I'm entering once again. But I have entered before the second other news. Oh, I have entered here. Next level we have 4095. Whether it is broken or it will survive, we don't know. Forty 95. I am exiting to save some my account. Now let us see. We will see. I have the loss of about $107. Okay. Now we have a level and a news. Let us see what happens. Now we have two news. I have lost almost $107. This was I still I will still put Lord. It is going still being up. Let us see. What happens next? There is news. 2 minutes. We have a news in 2 minutes. Four 95, and it is market is running on. I could not hold a good position. 41, 42. We have a level at 41, 42. If the market goes to 41, 42, I will be selling it. What is the high? Falling from here? What level is that the market is? For this, if it falls, I will see 15 minutes bearish close. 41, 42. We have the level, so I could not hold the good trade that I had taken after the breakout. because the recent breakouts are excellent. We have another news. Now this is the current low. I had first my entry was from 20 and market has come to 40.07 means 80. Oh, I must have lost my account. Now we have the external highs and lows here. 412 we have the and 41.07. Now we are going to watch these levels for the next trade. I must have hold the good trade, but I was as earlier I had made mistakes, so could not hold it. Otherwise, but now still we have the chance. We are going to analyze the market accordingly, and it will give us a trade. Now, let us see. Now, current high of the market, current low of the market. Now we have level though at higher level, but if it gives us the setup, then we can sell it. But we need some confirmations. First of all, what is the difference between high and low? This is the difference of 1627 US dollars. Okay. First of all, I'll let these 15 minutes end, then next 15 minutes, and this will be the heavy fall of the market after 4012. Keep this in mind. From this level, the market will fall heavily, just like it went up after this level. Now we need to see the combination of these 15 minutes that has a high and low. Though we don't have level, nice level here, we have the nice level to sell from 41.42. But let us see what does market do. That will be an excellent. Uh, but now we will have to wait for the market to make its highs and lows, let it complete. Then we can another risky trade. The trade that I took after the breakout, that was a nice trade. It was taken from, where was it taken from? By first buy at 40.44. I was just in fear. It was 40.30. It was the buy from 40.30. Market went up to seven, more than seven. I just took a simple and I also took the loss. Let us see now. Let us see now for the next trade. I I just took 135 because of the but the to it. But it after this came down, this made a wick and went too high. I had lost 700, more than 700 profits. But now we are allowing the market is very volatile today because of the news. Heavy this breakout, just it went down and my account would have been washed. Still nice. Let us see how many is there in the news. If anyone who is not trader cannot know the stress, the trading like this, selling or taking trades, this is very nerve. It is very difficult. It's too. It's heavy. But let us see now what happens for our next trade. Now we are looking for the next trade. For sell, what do we want to see? Once the market has highs and lows, then does not break this high. Now, one of the most important thing, market is in the seller side. Here, for example, high and low break of the low. Here we don't need too much consolidations if the market below the low. But what is this level that the market has stopped? And how much time do we have in use? Now we have 5 minutes. The US manufacturing PM 54 expected is 53. ADP worked as it was negative for USD, so it sent the market up. Now we are seeing the ISM manufacturing. We have 4 minutes left to the news. If the news comes negative for US, it will go keep going up to the 41. But if now let us see the range. 15 minutes complete. Then the next 16 minutes if breaks the low. Actually, I can hold good trades, but when first I make an error, though it was a nice exit, but still I lost almost profit of $700 just being afraid of this simple thing that it. But once the market has broke into it, I think this was when market breaks into breakout, then it is going upward. But on the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, let us see the left side. What the level is that is there on the left side. Oh, this is the level. What is the level? Market is running here. And what is the high and what is the low of the market? Let us see. Low is 4084 and 4107. Now once again we need to see these levels to the left side. Oh, again I moved it. Let me put it once again. We have 4 minutes to the, what is the low of this? 4080.87. 4084.87. Remember, this is just same 15 minutes. So this, and now let me see highs and lows. What is the low? 40887 and high 4108.7. 41 41 8. What is this? High 4108.07. 0.07. We have these two levels. What is the news? Let us see. It's negative for USD, so positive for gold. Gold still must be going up, and I think it will go near to. Uh, Now, should we take buy? I think we must. I can take buy after the breakout because we have a level. Now, let me take the buy once the level is broken to the upward. We will be expecting to 40, but let it complete the. This is the hour. Next hour is must be going to 40, 41,044. Let us allow move it. Then we will take. We can take our sale because we are waiting for the setup. Now, if low is broken to the downward, sell could be taken. For buy, we can wait, but we don't need to sell right now. Next 15 minutes, go back and break this low. First of all, we need to remove these levels and let us see. Remember, watch these two levels. For our time frame, this is the level. On the 1 hour time frame, now low of is being broken, but we cannot take sell right here. Let us see in the 15 minutes these levels to the side now. Now we can't take sell here. We need to first watch these levels to the left side on 15 minutes time frame. One, yes, this is the level. On the 15 minutes, this is the breakout to the down. We have 15 minutes level here before 41, 42. In this scenario, we can sell it. Yes, here this is the level. 90, but we will have to see the confirmations. First of all, now if the level is 48, if this level is broken to the high, this is stopping. What is the high of these 15 minutes? 40, 41. We need the break of this level. So buying it and stop below this level somewhere here. Now if it breaks the high, it is the level that is stop it. Uh, that is 41.11. Now let us see what happens. If the market goes $187 stop loss. If this is broken to the upward, it will break. Once 41.11 is broken, it will be moving towards 40, 41.42. That is the last destination. Trade is going into small profit now. So target is here, and there we from. Now I have TP already set there. Once this high is broken, 41.11 will be broken, and ultimately the market will be going to the 41. 41.42 I have put the very near 41.32. Now let us see what does market do. We have seen the left side 15 minutes level as a 41.11. So market is to break. We have these 4 hours running. And the latest, oh, what is happening? Sometimes it is going into some profit, sometimes it is going into loss. But let us see what happens. Is there any another news? I think all news are gone. Is if there is some news, let us see on the. Uh, oh, we have a news of crude. What can do that news? I don't know what I have entered too early. I thought all the news have come. That till 4111 could send it downward. So let me put these stops very near. I should get out on the trade, huh? Next 15 minutes. I have started. What is the news? Let me see. There are 15 minutes remaining. Market is waiting for that news, and let us see what happens. This low has this high. Once broken, market will be going up now. Now to the high. If it will be broken, the market will be going up. But let us see what happens. So, these 15 minutes, next 15 minutes. New 15 minutes now. Just break of 41 now we need. And break down now 4083 to the downward. 4100 we need to break to go up. Of this level to the upward and down. Once this broken, it is high probability the market will be going up. But now let us see what happens. I have put before the news. I have yes. If this is broken, the market will be going up. With the momentum. Yes, about I should break even now because no, I should not break. I have taken so much risk. Let us see whether it is broken or not. This we need to break this. No, not breaking it. I don't know what will happen with the news. We have 15 minutes, 11 minutes to the news, to the data. Now we just need to break this to the high. Moving upward. Looks like it is being broken. Oh, yes, it is going to break it up. Once broken, it will be moving. Oh, broken. I think it is broken. Now it's going up once again. Once this high is broken, no, yes, broken. It will break 41.8 and 41.11. Market is moving so fast that I put it here the break even. No, I should wait because when I should narrow my stop loss. What is the high of this? Let us see. It is above 41, so market is expected to go up. It has broken the high of this 15 minutes. Now it has broken it, but I'm expecting this to move to break 4108, 4111, and then reach to 4142. Will be out at 4132. Now I can break even it because Now we have 4 minutes to the news, and break even could hit. No, I don't think so. Should I remove my break even? My break even could be it. I removed it. But stop loss? Where is the stop loss? I must have somewhere here. We have 3 minutes. Market is coming down once again. I am exiting. It can give me good chance for entering. We have 3 minutes left. Now we will enter because this was broken to the bottom. But once again, it has broken down. Should I buy once more? Buy it once. Where should I put the stop loss now? I have the stop loss here. 187. It's coming down. 2 minutes to the news. No, it must not break. Just to the downward. New 15 minutes. What is the news? What is the data? It is positive for US. I mean negative for gold. Now we have these levels, 15 minutes. We need to break it down to 4082. Now I have recovered my some losses. Now I have loss of 4111. Maybe it did not allow. Can we take sale from there? We need 15 minutes that break this down and do not once again break the high of those 15 minutes. Even if the market breaks, I won't enter in the trade. Though technically it has broken that level, but there is 4111 and then this news is uh, bearish for USD. So I'm watching for sell now under this level in the next 4 hours. Now we need to break 4082. 41. Now current high is, even if it breaks and goes up, I have got out of the trade. It is going up. Maybe it won't, but the news is not that way. So I'm not taking more risk. I will can lose more. So I bought out. It is breaking more. It broke high. Even if the news is like that. Oh, let us see what happens at 41 and 11. 41 and 11. It hit. Ah, that is not allowing it to go. I don't know. Broken. I was disturbed. Still, I doubt because the news 4111 will not allow it to go up. Now, let us see what happens. I left watching the data. Let's see. Yes, it's coming now. It won't go now. I think so. There, we will have a very small stock. 10, 6, $60. Okay, let us wait for the proper downward breakout. Now let us, should we wait for the proper setup? Because there we have how many? There is a high difference between 15 and 18. Two 230 loss. If I take sell from here, $430 loss. Now let us see. Let the setup complete. I could not hold good trades, but no allow me to sell it from here. I might a bit late, but now $97. I could take it from down, but then the stop loss will be very high. One thing very important, 15 minutes, those broke this level. If low of this high is broken, then we have a signal for sell. This low must be broken. That is a nice sign. Broken, broken, low, broken, broke the low. Nice. Now it is broken. Broken. Yes, that is exact. Nice setup for confirmation of a reversal. Can I break it even now? Yes, I can. I think so. Every breakout is cancelled when the 15 minutes that has broken to the down or up, its high or low is broken. Should I break even it or take profit and cover the losses? No, I should hold the trade. Nice trade I've got from the top now. It was nice that I got out of the buy in a very small profit without loss. I would have more than loss of more than 100. Nice buy I could not hold, but nice sell I think I should hold now. When low will be broken, it will be confirmation of the downward move. Now I will, if I close, I will end day end in profit, but I shouldn't do that way because I left. I did not allow my buy to uh, run. Now I should allow my this sell to run. It is coming near to the sell or to the low and break it. Next new 15 minutes. Now these 15 minutes, if break to the downward, next 15 minutes should not uh, break. If we confirm, if these 15 minutes are broken to downward, and the following 15 minutes not uh, close above that. It looks like should I take profit and move? They end in profit. No, we have to confirm this breakout. How will we know 15 minutes that break this? Next 15 minutes are same 15 minutes. Do not break the high of this breakout. It is the way of confirming the breakout. You saw the way I confirmed the breakout from the down, in which I have put the stop loss and took the trade, was on this breakout method. This is my strategy, a very nice strategy. If you will be following my channel and and watching my analysis and live videos, it will be very beneficial for you. You can master this strategy better than me. And I one strategy. Gradually, I will be fine. We need to break this low. If 15 minutes break this low and close above this high, I will get out of the trade. But let us see whether these 15 minutes are going to break the low or not. We need to break 4082. I am a bit tired. Should I close it now? I'm a bit tired and very have taken too much stress in trading because you can also see how it is uh, trading like this way with a short uh, small account and a heavy lot. If this law is broken, then this is I also expect it to be broken. Let us see what happens. Here 15 minutes broken, but then came down. Came when it is coming closer. Level 40. We need to break this down with the condition. The next 15 minutes do not, or even these same 15 minutes do not break their own high. It's looking like we do not market should see above this now. If it is goes, I will exit. Now I should remove my stop loss from here to here. Exactly here. What will be 105 rupees. If that goes there, I will still be in profit. It looks too close to break even, but it is the fact. Even if the market breaks this, after breaking this, still breakout will be handsome. Now my account has gone into profit. Should I exit? Exit? Or do you think? Even if it hits my, still I will have some. It's delaying. This is the 1 minute time frame. I see it delaying and I could exit. It's hesitating. I have break. Go down and break the low. 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minutes, they are looking very close. This is also close. This is also close. Now let's see what does market do. Let's see what does market do. Oh, it is going back. Oh, will it stop me out in small profit? I'll break down. This is the 1 minute. It has two levels nearby. These are the 15 minutes are reversing. I will be out of the trade, then I will be tired today. Will don't trade anymore. If you want to like the watching these live streams, like my this live stream, share this, and subscribe my channel. Now I have profits to both of the ways. One one way, other way. I will hold the trade for long. Market is coming down. Looks like it will stop me out in a very small profit. Small, it is not small. I will cover all my losses. 105 and I have 423. I have started from 500. So I will have some profit. Let us see what happens where the drama ends today. It feels like that it will stop me out in a small profit. It is stopping me out. I think if it touches this, I should get out of the trade manually. I will have some good profit. Should I wait? No, it is hesitating. It looks like I will end this day in a small profit. Oh, yes, it didn't touch it. It is still below that high. It still could not break this on the upward. Even it did not touch it. Now, if it is broken to the downward, next 15 minutes must not come to this level. Primarily analyze what now enjoy what now. The market here सुठो आहे आई आहे 41 किरे भाई 41 अंदर रुगो 4082 के टोड़े यानी 4095 के मथे टोड़े थी पहुंचे जल्दी कौन कर दी भाई ट्रेडिंग पर चले नहीं पे बड़ा फंड हो गई वरी जाओ सुन कहता के बंदा ट्रेडिंग पर चले एनालिसिस बटन वालों चैनल पे अच्छा है बिस्किट में खराब. हम यार खुले चला बोलता हूँ ट्राई करिए हम यार खुले चला. Very close, both levels. None of them is broken. New hour starts. What level? Yes, is coming to break 4082. But remember, now if this breaks down and next 15 minutes do not close above this, then it will be the real breakout and breakout that plays out that works. I'm just coming in a minute. You watch this with me. Should I exit? It is not breaking to the downward. These are the hours. 4 hours are same. Still not breaking. But still we see this 15 minutes. No, it is not breaking down yet. It will break down in the maybe next hour. No, this this 1 minute was such a bullish that I thought that it's breaking above, but now it is going down. Nice. What a way of breaking it. How close this keep coming to the. Now low is going to be broken, but in a way that is too much impulsively. Even if it must not retest high. If this one after breaking, if it goes above high, then it will be cancelled. It's very near I am in profit. Should I exit? Now, breaking it. Come on, break it. And then go down fast. No, go down fast. Break it. Don't retest. Don't come back to 95. Oh, break it, and keep moving. No. Oh no, you have hesitation, you have hesitation. You must know that you are in the seller zone. You are still not breaking it. It is hesitating. Oh, nice breakout now. Break it down. Close. Abas. Let me some biscuits and tea. What is it doing? Still hesitating? No, still we are in the same 15 minutes. That has broken to the down, but we don't want to see this now. Breaks and keep coming down. If retest, it must be below this. Now I deserve some tea. Should I exit? What should I do? I should allow this trade. It is hesitating a bit. Huh? Should I exit? I am okay. Now I'm leaving. I think. Now I exited. Now I ended some in some profit. Now it is expected to fall in the next 4 hours. I think I ended with a $120 profit. I Now you see it is coming back. Setup is about expected to complete in the next 4 hours. Neither highs and lows will be same, but it needs some. Okay, today. Now it comes, goes and down, whatever it does. I am leaving right now. Thanks for watching. We will be meeting in the next. It could come down it because it has not yet broken this. But I ended my day. Now these are the same 4 hours, and it will make a setup. Now you see these are expected to be kilos above this. It is going up now, but now let us see then once again. It just what did it do to the? It didn't break out actually. Happily, actually, it just made a completed a low. Now we have this low and this high. I will try to come online when setup is complete, or will make a video on this. We have. Now I want to say we have. What is the issue? Why is not moving this? If this retests below this, it will come down again. I'm putting sell once again. If these 15 minutes close above this, I will leave. With in-laws, I will. Oh, it was just looks. It was just a retest. No, it's going once again back. Anyway, if it closes above, I will close in loss. Closes or even touches. Oh yes, it is going back. Now will be confirmed breakout. Retest is complete. If it still breaks down, yeah, this was just retest. Now confirmed breakout. It could not close above. It is night that It is nice that I took once again it. Now this was the breakout, this was the retest. Now you see retest is just near it, not above it. Now these 15 minutes are expected to be high range and even could break this low also. There is nothing, no indicators needed, no chart patterns, no candlestick formation. This is the game of price. When buyers like what sellers like, and breakouts and retests, etc. This is the game because this is something. It is a price that sellers or traders or buyers like. Once again coming back, I think now it is the best scenario when 150 minutes break the low. Second comes to retest below that high. I think this is a nice situation. Now let us see what happens. If it doesn't go my way, I could still uh, in small profit or small loss. But this is looking like an ideal setup. But let us see what happens. If broken, oh, oh, oh yeah, this low be broken expected if falls heavily. But now, why is it hesitating right now? Had retested and broke down. Consider retesting is always below. 15 minutes that break the low to maintain there. Let us see what is happening. Should I break even it or put a loss sell somewhere? In all conditions, this is the sell. But even if I break even it will not be useful. The only this is the stop loss. Now, now even before we can exit from the trade. Now, what is the other method? This high and this low. No, it is coming down. No, it is no way to. I think so. Next 15 minutes is started because it required some volume to push down. What a nice beginning. I took the trade while I was tired, but still it was a nice setup. So I entered in this trade once again. So, what is the expectation of now tech product? For our time frame, what breakout do we have? Do we have now? On the 4 hour time frame, we have this breakout. At least take profit here or here. 3984 or 3972. This is not a good place to take profit. This will be broken. Now, these are the two levels for take profits. Let us consider, we will consider any of them. This is the 4 hour upward. Even market could go down, but these two are best take profit options. Now let us see. This will be broken to the downward. I am expecting it. But can we see that market could stay here or here? Market always goes too high or too down. From the level it is coming, it goes now. I think my base take profit is 39.84. Now let us see what happens where it is going down or not. Same 4 hours are being rejected. On the 4 hour time frame, this has been rejected from here. It didn't go to the 41.42 as it was being expected. Now, what should I do? 15 minutes. I am just coming for the conclusion. Now you see what 95, 94 profit, 720. This kind of trade must be allowed to complete its it's due. My buy that I had more profit, $700, but I left it too early. I had caught the breakout from here. But it is nice that I did not allow my first trade to continue. I was expecting that it's coming down from this levels, but it went too high, beyond my expectations. So let me know in the comments, what do you consider and what did you do today now? Did you like my live stream? Let me know in the comments. Share it. I'm just coming and wait for some minutes. First, I'm going to wash my hands. Now I'm leaving. Okay, thanks for watching.